Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. I told myself that I'm gonna drop a video on Friday, but nah, this gotta go out, guys. What happened? Just to give a context, I was watching podcast and chill, and then Macg brought this argument of in fact there's a sex tape that is busy circulating on all social media, especially Twitter, right, of this lady named Cyan Bouje, who she's an influencer, boom boom boom, right? So what happened, this lady, she had a sex with Prince KB 2 years back while she was 19. Now she's 21, right? So this lady, she's an influencer, she does a lot, man, and a lot have happened to her. Your BBLs, you know, BBLs, for somebody who doesn't know, it's Brazilian butt lift, when women wants to shape themselves the way they want to look, yeah. So this lady, she had a sex with Prince KB, right? Then Prince KB, in the middle of whatever that they're doing, right? He says, "Can I take a video?" Remember, Prince KB was Prince KB, guys. Like, he was Prince KB. He have music. He's gigging. He is a DJ. He's doing all these things. She says, "Yeah, why not?" These guys take these things. 2 years back, right? She was still 19. So now she says, because Prince KB, he wants to release the music, right? I think he wanted her to promote the album or whatnot. Maybe they didn't meet, they didn't get each other somewhere somehow. Prince KB's thought, you know what? Let me hit her with these things. He releases the sex tape. So now it's all over. This lady now, she's getting what? Gigs and everything now. Right? Yeah, of course they're gonna book you because you are trending, you know. You're trending on social media, all over social media. People are busy editing her, wearing Kaiser Chiefs t-shirt. They're busy editing her, doing this, calling, Rasta, boom, 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 right? So now, this lady now, she's saying, "Nah, but I'm getting bags, I'm getting this." I was like, come on, poor lady. Of course, because you're trending. These things, you should be traumatized by now. Not celebrating, but you should be traumatized. But yeah, she did say she's going through the most. Her parents, her dad is it's a pastor, guys. So you can just imagine, pastor's child. This is what is happening. But she's saying, yeah, they were even like they are expecting things like this because she's an influencer. She's doing this crazy things on podcast and chill. I think Macg, the ghost lady, was Tebogo Tobejani. She even said she was dating this guy who was giving her 50K a week. So guys, it's a 21-year-old lady who have done so much, who is doing a lot of things, man. So, well, shout out to her if he's bringing money. But she have done a lot, guys. She have done a lot. Please check out the video of Macg interviewing her on podcast and chill. Stay tuned, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when I drop a video, you'll be notified. Away.
Listen, man, everybody wants to know what was going on with that sex tape.
Yeah.
They're calling it a sex tape, but it's not a sex tape, dog. It's 10 seconds, bro.
10 seconds, there's still some sex there.
Okay.
10 sex.
What do you have to say, Cyan?
I don't know, man. I just feel like this was definitely planned and the nigga definitely had an intention because I feel like maybe if it was a mistake, he could have like responded to my text as he usually does, So yeah, I have no words, guys.
Who's the nigga? Who's the nigga? Which nigga is it?
Yes, which nigga is it? And when, according to your memory, was this recorded?
So this happened 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
And it was with Prince KB.
Oh, that's Prince KB.
Damn.
Definitely, 100%, boldly. And I'm saying this, guys, because he was like, what can I say, like the first celebrity that I ever got to, be with, and he demanded like a video and all that. So I thought it was like the right thing to do because I wasn't a brand. Guys, and please don't mind my voice. Like I have like the worst kind of fever.
Don't worry, go on.
Or the last thing people care.
Yeah, so he like
Your voice is your voice. You're saying words.
he demanded like a video, and I thought it was the right thing to do because I mean at that time he was like a big deal to me.
Yes, Prince KB, man.
Yeah. Prince
I'm not like a brand. I'm just like still a young girl who's just an influencer, and
How old were you in the video?
Yeah, how old? I'm curious for that too.
Sorry,
How old were you in the video?
I was only 19.
Oh my goodness.
So when you say he demanded the video, what was the sexual encounter? Was it a sexual encounter of casual, as in you guys are just liking one another, or was it paid?
No, not at all. It wasn't like, at that time, like I didn't really know much about the industry and what really happens. Like in Zimbabwe. So I didn't demand any money. We were just in Cape Town. I was there to host. He was there to perform, and then he DM'd me. And yeah, we just met. But I had to go that evening. So he was like, nah, I'll book your flight the next day. So just come through. So yeah, when he had to take the video though, he just he just saw me sweat a lot, and he was like, what, can I just please record this? And yeah, I mean, what can I say? Like, I didn't mind because at that time, like I said, he was a big deal to me. So yeah.
He's no longer a big deal now.
Not at fucking all.
But it's big.
But then, so do you think he leaked it? Or like, how do you think it came out?
Okay, so for the fact that we never fought after that, like we were really, really on good terms, okay? Like we never even had a misunderstanding. We were always talking. He always wanted to meet up even after what happened like 2 years ago.
Nice.
So, yeah. So when I texted him about that, immediately when I saw the video, he was the first person I tried to call. He was the first person I tried to text. And he just left me on red. So I think maybe if it wasn't his intention, he could have said, oh, this was a mistake, cyan. But he just left me on red. Like, and that's unusual because he usually always responds to me, So, yeah, I don't know. And also I think, because our last conversation, he wanted me to promote like his wine or like some type of whiskey and all that.
Yes.
And I had to charge him for that. So he was so mad. So I don't know if maybe that's one of the reasons why he might have lifted. But I think it's really his intention because if it wasn't, he was going to respond and say at least it's a mistake, or maybe my girlfriend saw that and she's the one that like it could have came with an explanation. But he didn't say anything. He just left me on red. So, and he started posting his music. Isn't that crazy, guys?
He started pushing his album and whatnot. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. So
now you need a sex tape to
know.
promote an album. I need to get to work.
Because no one gives a fuck. You just promote your album. So you must give the fuck first. Then we'll give a fuck.
And have you spoken?
But honestly, like, I just feel like I was good when the thing went out, and I mean, it happens. People, always have like their own perspectives of everything and their own opinions. But what hurt me was even after it went out, I didn't even hear like a little story, just to. He just wanted to spin things around. So that was just crazy.
So you spoke to him since the video came out?
I did, but he left me on red. Like,
damn.
Literally, he left me on red.
And
what's on red?
Like blue tick.
Blue tick.
Oh, like ghosted, yeah.
Ghosted.
Yeah. And then I saw, because like, how have you been since it came out? Because I saw on your status you were saying, it's over. You posted a status on WhatsApp saying it's over. How's it been for you since the video?
I mean, honestly, what I care about the most is my family, and their reputation. So I just felt like, wow, this is really bad for them. and I just really wanted to give up because I can't always like act strong and also in all situations. Like all the time, I have trials and all that, and I know I come back better and I come out to the top. But this time, I just felt like it was really, really bad, and I didn't think like gigs would come the way they're coming now.
Oh,
so,
yeah. Are you going to be
I
booked
was
for...
just in a position to give up.
Yeah, I know you're going to be booked for like until December. You're going to be booked.
Yeah, you'll be very booked. I mean, come on now.
And then what about the niggas? Because you posted that and now your
gonna dump
niggas,
you,
they're going to dump you.
Yeah, that was my biggest worry, guys. That was my biggest worry. But I'm glad that I had like the best support, you know. Like
How many are there?
they were just
Oh.
Okay. No, because I want you to understand the support.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not in a committed relationship, so
Nice.
there are people that I'm seeing, you know, that help me in all sorts of ways. So I'm so happy that they also got to help me emotionally here because I thought, you know, they would think it's just something that happened recently and all that. So yeah.
You know, they always say that there's no such thing as bad publicity. Do you think this is one of those situations?
Yeah, I think it is.
Nah, let's be honest. This was really bad. You know, it was really, really bad. And like, I don't know. I just feel like there is no such thing as bad publicity. Yes, I'm getting gigs. Yes, I'm getting bookings. Yes, the bank is... But the way my bank is just like overloaded that I don't even need any nigga to help me. But like still, emotionally, mentally, like it's... Nah, it's not a good thing.
Ah, fuck, man.
Yeah. So what are you gonna do about it?
So I've already like had my lawyer, you know, draft out.
Oh,
like,
shout out. You got a lawyer. Shout out. She's got a lawyer, man.
Oh, shout out. This is go on my wedding. Is she your lawyer?
Yeah, so I got him like dealing with everything. So he's trying by all means to get all the angles so that even if he tries to defend himself, as he always does. So yeah.
Okay, quick question though.
Based on that, you know.
Now that we know you had sex with Prince KB, how was the sex? Yeah, okay. It's my
I
man.
don't remember.
You don't
He
remember.
doesn't remember.
And then how do you feel? How do you feel about everybody saying clean shaven? What?
Yeah, good to like.
Yeah.
The condition.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, inwele,
Yeah. I mean, I was young at that time. I didn't know much, you know. So, like, we live to learn, we live to grow. And if people can understand that, I mean, I don't care about their opinions then because I don't even fucking know them. So, I'm good with whatever anyone has to say. My biggest issue was my family and my niggas, period.
What's your family saying? What's your dad saying? Because you're a preacher's child, yeah?
Damn.
I mean, more than anything, they just put their faith in God that it will pass, you know? Like, I don't have any judgment from my family. And I feel like if I did, I wouldn't have survived, like, any situation that I've been through. Like, it's like they already know that they might expect the worst because I'm an influencer and whatever that happens has to be out in the public, you know? So I have them as my sponge when I need to talk about her. And even if to me, they always act like they're pretty good and they're okay and they're going to pray for me and they're going to help me. But I also worry about their reputation too, you know? So, yeah.
That's crazy.
Wait, Baba Kumfundisi.
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
What are you saying, wow?
Because I'm surprised. That's why people say, wow, Mac. Damn.
Listen, man, I want you to describe the feeling when you saw that video trending and what was going through your mind.
So in the beginning, it was like 2 screenshots, right? So it wasn't like a full video. It was just 2 screenshots and it was cut up like down there. Like I couldn't see anything. And I immediately called my manager and I'm like, you know what? I see something that's happening and I swear, even if it's just a screenshot, even if the video wasn't out, guys, I was still going to trend over this screenshot, you know? So I was just like, it's another week of judgments and another week of, a lot of people putting their insecurities out on me. So, I had to stay strong like I usually do. But it only broke me down when he finally responded and acted like a victim. And I was like, wow.
Crazy, man.
That's crazy.
Cyan?
Yeah, that was really crazy.
So I just want to know, going forward, are you going to have a kind of like a rule that you don't take videos or you don't allow the person that you're with to take videos? Or how are you going to go about like just going forward?
I mean, now I'm a brand. So I really, really have
Cheers, you're a brand.
videos.
Shout out to the brand. She's a brand.
Brand.
She's a brand.
We got a brand new sex tape.
So I wouldn't like ever let that happen, you know. It was my first time, like I said, 2 years ago. I was young. I was interacting with a very famous person, you know, at that time. And now because I'm probably on top even, I'm really, really trying to take care of my brand and myself. And more than anything, like just my reactions to things, you know, I'm just trying to like limit a lot of things because yes, I have reacted differently in situations based on my age. I just felt like I'm allowed to react how I want to react. But now that I understand that I'm a full brand, it's going to be very different. So, yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. I like you said that you're on top now, because in the sex tape you weren't on top.
Yeah,
but...
and I mean, honestly, the way I'm saying this boldly because he even needed to lick that to make himself trend. So that says a lot about me.
Yeah. Okay, quick question.
That says a lot about my name.
Yeah. Yes.
But then he would be owning his parts, though, if he really wanted to like trend as well.
Sorry?
I'm just saying he would be also owning his parts.
To say that, yes, that's me.
Yeah, that's me. In order for him to also be like acknowledged.
You know, I think he knew that when he posted, I was gonna say that it's him. It's literally him based on my past and me having to expose like names and certain things. I think he generally knew that even if he puts it in a different way, somehow his name will come out. So he was very smart on that one.
Okay.
So yeah, it's not me that made him trend, but he knew what he was getting from this.
Cyan, I've got two questions. Like, were you squirting? What was going on? Why was it so wet?
She said yes.
Oh, she said
I
yes.
am a very passionate squirter. I squirt.
Passionate squirter. Gosh.
Stop it. Hey, fine.
This week.
This week.
I squirt like a motherfucker.
The second again.
It was not anal. What's the again? You are anal.
What's the second question?
My second question is, so that we are not shocked like we were, how many sex tapes do you think you have out there? Meaning, because you allowed him to take a tape, are there any other guys you did? Therefore, we shouldn't be surprised if a certain number of them drop.
100%, he is the only one. And I'm going to say this again, is because he demanded it because he just saw a lot of squirts. And I was young. I allowed that because he was too famous. And I felt like if I don't like let him do that, I mean, you know, he's probably going to turn me down. So I am boldly saying I do not have any sex tape. That's why I was sure that it's definitely him.
Yeah,
and did they use a condom?
All.
No, there was no condom.
There was no condom. You saw there was no condom. You don't watch sex tapes. Naga's wife. You watch sex tape. You see the sex tape. There was no condom. And also, did you guys test before having sex? Because there was no condom.
What kind of question is that, man?
It's a
who tests? Do you walk around with the HIV test?
No, you get them in clicks. They're 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh, Macg, it's a valid question.
No, it's a valid question.
Oh, you have sex unprotected. You don't testing.
I can't hear you guys. Can you repeat that?
Sorry, please
That's
tell
a valid question, though.
Oh, ask the question. You couldn't hear you.
Okay, we noticed there's no condom used. And some of us previous in like we would have unprotected sex after testing. Did you test? It's a valid question.
Yes, I can't hear you guys. Can you just say it for the last time?
Did you
please?
guys test before having unprotected sex?
Oh no, not at all. That guy is
You say it's not a
definitely
valid
beyond irresponsible. Okay, so we didn't at all. It was just like
you said
quick
my
class,
It's
and yeah, we just never ever met again.
Okay,
No,
cool.
but Cyan, in closing, man, this too shall pass. This has happened before. I mean, Faith and Katie, her thing leaked.
Yes.
Take
Oh,
on,
facing Ketsi.
Yeah,
She's
but-
still
but-
saying
but-
Unketsi blind, that
guys-
guy.
Guys, that doesn't make anything better because at least I love one of the private partners. Me, like it was just it's so different. I feel like it's so different. Everyone is trying to encourage me by saying it has happened to Katie, it's over. But you guys didn't see much from her video. You know, with
Yeah.
me, you guys even had to see me squirt. I'm Peter the dread, the same bushy.
Yo, the dreads.
Yes, sure, Cyan, bro.
Yeah, bro.
You haven't wanted to take your life, though, ne?
No, please don't.
You haven't wanted to take your life, ne?
No.
Nah, definitely not over Chris KB. Maybe someone else.
Oh, okay. Yeah, someone with the biggest podcast in Africa, maybe.
Yeah.
Cyan, okay, on a lighter note, good things. You're doing amazing well. What's going on in your life right now? What can people look out forward to?
Yeah.
I am definitely beyond booked and busy. I'm so excited for this that it even it pushes me to try and like drop a song. So Macg, you need to help me again. You remember the last time I came to a podcast? I said any producer that wants me to add my name on the song.
Yes.
On any song, I don't mind doing that because I'm not into music like that. But besides that, I am opening my official salon on my